Hi, this is Brett Warders from LogicVane. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our Change Advisor tool available in LineDancer. Let's log in. You can see here I already have devices imported in my inventory and backed up. I'm going to double click on one of my devices to open device detail. Here you can see configurations that have been captured over time for this device. If I double click on one of these configurations, I can see the contents, for example, of the most recent running configuration. Or I can go back in time and see an older version of the running configuration. Or I can select two configurations and I can run a comparison. And you can see here on the left side is the older configuration and on the right side is the newer configuration. And the green highlighted lines are lines that have been added into the configuration of this device. If I want to roll back to an older version of the configuration, I have two options. One is I can select the older configuration and I can restore that configuration to the device. And this is going to overwrite the entire configuration of the device with the older configuration. For some users, restoring a device in this way seems somewhat risky. So I'm going to show you how you can roll back to this older configuration using our Change Advisor. I select the older configuration and I click on the Change Advisor icon. It opens a three-part view here. On the left side are the lines that are in the newest configuration that should be removed in order to return to this older configuration displayed on the right side. On the bottom are the Change Advisor recommended commands in order to return from the newest configuration to the oldest configuration. In this view, I can make edits and additional changes. So for example, I can remove lines. If we look down here, for example, at the interface on fast Ethernet 0, we had added some IP flow monitor commands. And what the Change Advisor is advising is that to remove those lines, you would enter interface fast Ethernet 0, and you would just remove these lines using the no command. And exiting will bring you back to the configuration prompt. And so it is with the other commands here. No buffers small, no buffers middle. And by just clicking on the Run button, I can effectively return this configuration from the latest set of changes back to this previous set of changes. I'm not going to do that here because these changes were made by somebody in our lab. That concludes our demo of the Change Advisor feature. If you'd like to learn more about LineDancer, please go to logicvane.com.